Trigonometric equations. We are solving one more question about trigonometric equations, which is this one over there you chose. It's 2022 and the date of the day 3/27. So cosine, which is the x numbers, remember that I will show that a number 1/2 on the x-axis. Since remember, first you show the number as a point on the unit circle. Since it's a positive number, I show it in the positive part of it, which is 1/2. So I'm looking for possible angles that can give me such a result in the unit circle, which is one angle I can draw to top. I can draw one another to bottom part. So after you make your shape ready, it is time to find this related angle part, the part with the x-axis. For this one, you just look for cosine of one angle. It gives you such a number like 1/2. Cosine, opposite of 30 60. Is 1, so it should be 60 degrees. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, super. So the related angle part for both of them will be 60 and 60. So after you insert this related part, it is time to go for final solution thing. So whatever you have this inside the parentheses, let's turn this 3π/2 into angle 3π/2. You need to know that you should have memorized that. That makes 270 degree. So case 1, 270 minus x/2 equals. So once you write the solution, you always write the angle starting from 0 degree, which is plus 60 degree. So you need to insert this k pi at this step. Then case 2, all of this inside part, which is 270 minus x/2 equals, you write this angle as it starts from 0 degree, and that makes minus 60 degree and plus 2k pi. Then later, let's solve the cases one by one. 270 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 270, 60 minus 270 plus 2k pi. 60 minus 270, what does it do? Minus 210 plus 2k pi. And in here we have minus x/2, which is minus remaining there. So to get rid of minus and over 2 at the same time, I multiply the whole function or whole equation, sorry, by -2. Minus times minus plus x. 2 times x/2 is x. Then minus times minus in here is again plus. 2 times 210 makes 420. And minus 2 times plus 2 is minus 4k pi. Okay, let me write that better. Minus 4k pi. Let's do the similar calculations for here. 270 to other side, minus x/2, minus 60, minus 270. If you add them, the result will be minus 320, 330, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Plus 2k pi. There will remain minus x/2. To get rid of minus and over 2, you will multiply the whole equation by minus 2. Minus times minus plus x. 2 times x/2 is x. So minus times minus turns into plus, and 2 times 330 makes 660. Minus times plus is minus 4k pi. So after here, we should also insert that k element integers. That's all. You have the 10 points. By the way, one more additional thing in here. Sometimes, just to fail you inside these ABCD solutions, they change this minus into plus 4k pi. Actually, it's the same thing. It doesn't matter. Plus 4k pi. which is the thing that we are talking about in here. Remember that from the when I do the explanation in the class, this 60 can be, we can, instead of 60, we can use too many angles which are coterminal with 60 degree. If you continue another full circle in here, you will do 60 plus 360, which is 420. Or if you do